United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 125. Right of access to and from the sea and freedom of transit. 1. Landlocked states shall have the right of access to and from the sea for the purpose of exercising the rights provided for in this convention, including those relating to the freedom of the high seas and the common heritage of mankind. To this end, landlocked states shall enjoy freedom of transit through the territory of transit states by all means of transport. 2. The terms and modalities for exercising freedom of transit shall be agreed between the landlocked states and transit states concerned through bilateral, subregional, or regional agreements. 3. Transit states, in the exercise of their full sovereignty over their territory, shall have the right to take all measures necessary to ensure that the rights and facilities provided for in this part for landlocked states shall in no way infringe their legitimate interests,